Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when una dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Friday, 25th October 2024. And our topic today na the fig tree. We go see our memory verse for John chapter 15 verse 2. And it talks say, "E dey cut every branches wey no dey bear fruit for my body comot, and e dey repair every branch for my body wey dey bear fruit, so that e go bear more fruit." Our Bible reading dey from Mark chapter 11 verse 12 to 20. The next day, as dem dey comot for Bethany, Jesus come dey hungry. E see one fig tree from far wey get plenty leaves, so e come waka go look whether fruit dey for the tree. When e reach there, e see say nothing dey for the tree, na only leaves e get, because fig season never reach. E come tell the tree, "People no go ever chop your fruit again." And im disciples hear wetin im talk. When dem reach Jerusalem, Jesus enter the temple, come drive all the people wey dey sell and buy for the temple veranda. E throway the table of the people wey dey change money, and the people wey dey sell bread, e throway their chair too. Jesus no let anybody take anything wey dem dey sell past the temple veranda. Then he tell dem write am say, "People go call my house prayer house for the whole world, but una don turn am to where thief dey stay." When the priest oga dem and the law teachers hear wetin im talk, dem come dey plan how dem go take kill Jesus. But dem dey fear because the people surprised for wetin he dey teach dem. When evening reach, Jesus and his disciples come comot for the town. For morning, when Jesus and his disciples dey pass, dem come see say the fig tree don dey die from im root. Now the message. For our Bible reading today, Jesus bin dey hungry, na so he come go one fig tree wey he see, but as he reach there, he no see any fig. Jesus curse the tree and the tree dry. Even though no be fig season, this one mean say e dey normal for the tree not to get fruit that time, but Jesus still curse the tree. You fit dey think say Jesus no do well for the tree at all, but Jesus dey pass message give us with that in action. You no need to dey wait for the right time before you start to dey produce fruit for your oga. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 4 talk say, "Any farmer wey dey wait for better weather no go ever plant seed, and if e dey look the cloud to know whether rain go fall, e no go ever harvest wetin e plant o." If God don give believer assignment, the person need to work on that assignment whether the time dey okay or not. If the believer continue to dey wait for the right time, dem no go ever achieve their goal o, and dem no go fulfill their destiny. If you dey monitor wind, you no go plant, and if you don already plant, if you continue to dey monitor cloud, you no go harvest wetin you plant be that o. You need to come out bear fruit even when the condition around you no dey okay. When I become General Overseer for RCCG, I been get many promises from God, apart from the covenant wey God give my papa in the Lord about the church ogbonge future. All the condition wey surround the church that time no dey okay at all. We bin not even get enough money to take pay General Overseer's salary, not to talk about the money to take dey build parishes around the world, or to dey host large meetings where millions of people go gather. Even though say the condition no dey okay, I still comot do the things wey God call me to do. When we move go Redemption City, we no get any money to pay workers to take build the auditorium, not to talk of building the city. I dey work every night with other members for the church to take build the first auditorium. Today, everybody fit see the city wey God promise us. My brethren, if you dey wait for perfect time before you start to dey bear fruit, you go just be like that fig tree. And I dey very sure say you no wan end up like that, because Jesus talk for our memory verse today say, "Any branch wey dey inside me wey no bear fruit, they go cut and comot." The main point for today's message be say, no excuse dey if person fail to bear fruit. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.